So who all are watching this video, please do subscribe. So this channel is newly started and I have already uploaded two videos here. So I'm getting views, but people are not subscribing. So now who are watching, please do subscribe and encourage our channel. So now in this video I'm going to explain how to do automation on inventory pull. Okay, so whenever we create EC2 instance, there is hundreds of instance, right? So drag and drop and copy paste is not possible on hundreds of instances. So now I will create a few of instances and I will let you know what are prerequisites do we need to take, and in the script what changes do we need to do. Okay, so first of all I will create 10 instances here. Okay, with the let me create with the name tech masters. Okay, tech masters hub. Okay, now I'm selecting Ubuntu. Okay, here let's give 10 instances to, for the to show the data, at least it will be 10 instances. Okay, so I have given number. My system is little slow. Yeah, I have given 10 number. Okay, so now I'm selecting all default configurations here. I'm not going to change anything. So keeper is also not required, so we are not going to log into the any server, right? So keeper is also not required. So these are all default configurations I'm taking, and let's go for the launch. Okay, so just we need the data, right? Oh, okay, it is mandatory. I'm selecting already existed keeper tech masters. Okay, just create. So it will create 10 instances. Okay, so meanwhile we will go for the script. What are all the changes do we need to do in the script? So this is already I have given updated. So here uh, we need to change our region. Okay, US East 1, and after that we have to update our S3 bucket. Okay, so here come down, and here tech master sub. Okay, so here I have updated my S3 bucket name. That's it. So these two changes is mandatory. We have to do the changes here. So after that, so create one S3 bucket. So don't worry, if you need this script, who all are watching this video, just comment in the video. I will, who all are asked for this script, I will update you on the comment. Okay, on the comment, or one to one in the comment. So S3, click on S3. So for S3 bucket also we have to change some permissions. I will let you know during that my command execution. I will let you know why we need to change the permissions. Okay, so it will throw as some error. Tech master. Okay, I'm giving the bucket name as tech master. It is general purpose only. Okay, so just creating bucket. Tech masters. Okay, tech masters, I'm giving a bucket is already existed. Okay, I have created tech masters bucket. Now view the bucket. Okay, and there is no bucket, just go to buckets. Here it is, tech masters bucket. Okay, so now we have to upload our script here. Okay, to pull the data, we need script, right? We can't export, we can't copy paste script right over there. So this is my script. I have already saved in my folder, in my directories. So just I'm uploading the script. So click on checkbox, select and click on checkbox, just upload it. Okay, the script has been uploaded. Now, so meanwhile check whether the EC2 instance is created or not. during this load time you can forward this video. So my network is my network sometimes AWS console will also load little slowly. So I hope instance 10 instances has been created. Yeah, instances has been created and it's running fine. So I will stop a few of instances to reflect the changes. So I'm stopping. So if you want whatever you want, you can change the parameters, like if you want names and IP addresses, extra details, you can change in the script. Okay, now I have stopped two instances and I'm going to the S3 bucket now. Right, new window. Just need to open in new tab. Okay, I have opened in new tab. So just for the verification, I have opened in the new tab. Now go to the this one, cloud shell. This is the CLI, command line interface. Here we can execute commands. It is loading. I have already worked, so that's why it's showing. So if you have not worked previously, it will show empty. Okay, so unless if t if you give, it's like it will work like Linux only. So here I have already copied my that script to in Cloud Shell. So how to copy? I will let you know. So here copy. See, if you give AWS S3 copy CP and your bucket name and instant that script name and dot symbol. Dot means present directory. So if you execute this command, it will throw error like script already is there. So again I have downloaded. So after downloading the script, okay, give ls, it is downloaded. So change these permissions, chmod executable permissions plus x. Okay, give it as enter. Okay, now give ls, it will change to green. Now I have already installed Boto package here. So to install that, just give pip install Boto 3. Okay, so if I execute, it will throw verification details, requirement already satisfied. Okay, so no need to worry. I am clearing the screen. Now I will execute my script, python python and the script name. Okay, copy and paste here, enter. See, uh, now CSV file has been uploaded. Okay, so because I have already created my uh, role, so that's why it is not throwing any error. So let's go to our bucket. Okay, so click on Techmasters. See, here it is. This is my Python script and this is the folder. If you click on this folder, see 1.1 KB this file is having. If you click on instances, so it will download and it will show the data. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so if you have 600 or 1000 instances, it will be the easy process to download all data along with the IP details and name and instances IDs. So we will meet you in the next video, and please share your friends to subscribe this channel and support our channel. So bye bye, thank you.